Hey guys, what's up? Joe Paris here. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you now the very first step to buying cryptocurrency, and that is you need to open up a cryptocurrency wallet. Now, I'm going to show you in the second half of this video exactly how to do that, but I want you to understand the audience that's going to be watching this is probably from all over the world. It's global. So it's going to be most likely different from a majority of you. Now, I live in the United States right now, so I'm going to be using some of the exchanges and the places that you can open cryptocurrency in the United States. However, if you're not watching this in the United States, you might have to do a little bit more research, but I'm going to share with you a bunch of different exchanges and places that you can open up wallets. That way I try to cover all the bases everywhere, but I can't promise that either. So I just wanted to explain that to you. Step one is signing up for a cryptocurrency wallet, and then I'm going to show you now exactly how to do that. And then I'm going to show you throughout the rest of this course how to then trade your very first cryptocurrencies and then be able to buy more than 200 cryptocurrencies. Hey guys, what's up? In this part of the video, we're now going to be discussing what a cryptocurrency wallet is. Hi, my name is Joe Paris, and I'm going to be talking to you about opening up a cryptocurrency wallet, giving you various different options so that you have multiple different ways to actually get a hold of cryptocurrency, and sharing with you some of the websites that I have personally used, some that I have not, and some of the recommendations. The whole goal though is to actually get some cryptocurrency. So what is a cryptocurrency wallet and how does it work? Well, a cryptocurrency wallet kind of works very similarly to a regular wallet. It's a place for you to store your digital currency or your cryptocurrency. So here's how they work. You have your private keys, which is a set of keys that is going to basically protect your account. And there's a bunch of different types of cryptocurrency wallets. There is a desktop wallet, which you can download onto your PC or laptop, and it stays directly on your computer. There's online wallets, which I'm going to show you a variety of different online wallets here in just a second. Basically, they run on cloud services, and you're able to access your funds digitally on the computer, but you need to have an internet device. So I'll show you exactly how all that works. Mobile, okay, so wallets on like your mobile phone. They run on applications. There are hardware wallets. I personally have not used these, and paper wallets, which again provide a very high level of security. But again, this is something that I currently don't use. We're going to stick to showing you the online wallets today, just because these are going to be the ones that I feel like most people are probably going to use no matter where you are in the world. Now, with a lot of these wallets, especially the online ones, you'll have more than one wallet in there for different types of cryptocurrencies, which I'm going to show you. And I think that's just about it for right now. There's more to get into, but I think it'd be better for you to actually start using these wallets and getting after it rather than just reading about it. So the first place that I wanted to share with you where you can actually buy and sell digital currency, the world's most popular way to buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin is a website called Coinbase. Now, if you use my Coinbase referral code and you spend more than $100 your first time buying Bitcoin, you get a free $10 in Bitcoin, and so will I. I've actually had multiple people do this, and it's a complete win-win. It's a free $10 just for signing up and using my code. So check that out in the description in the link below. Now, this is the most popular website, and I know that for the United States, most people are using Coinbase. There are a lot of fees that go along with Coinbase, and it kind of is a pain sometimes, but I will say they're probably the most user-friendly, and I know that I've made transactions and been able to sign up fairly easily with Coinbase, and I'm not going to walk you through the whole tutorial process. I will say this, though. You're going to need a valid form of identification, whether that's your ID, whether that's your passport. No matter where you are in the world, they need to identify you somehow, some way. So there may be some of you that can use Coinbase. There may be some of you watching this that you can't use Coinbase. So you're going to have to choose one of these other websites or do some additional research. So I can't promise that this is going to work for everyone, because I don't know where exactly you are in the world, if your country even allows cryptocurrency and all that kind of stuff. So I'm just going to give you as many of these as I can. The second one is local Bitcoins. And the thing that I like about local Bitcoins is you can use a variety of different payment options to actually purchase your Bitcoin. So you can do like Chase Bank, you can obviously do like PayPal. And if you click on Quick Buy here, These are all the different options that they have: NetTeller, Amazon gift cards, MoneyGram, PayPal, to pay for your Bitcoin in digital cryptocurrency. So it's a great website for that. The fees and everything are a little bit higher because of the different transactions, and it's just it's a marketplace for people to buy and sell. So basically, if you're trying to use your Walmart gift card to buy Bitcoin, you're probably not going to get as much Bitcoin as if you did on some of these other websites. But again, you're going to have to go through this process and buy directly from one of these people or places. So Local Bitcoins is another place that you can open up a wallet and get your Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Another spot is Gemini. Now, I've used Gemini. The reason why I like Gemini is because it's simplistic, and also the fees are very low. So you can buy Ethereum and Bitcoin on Gemini very easily. It's super simple to set up your bank account to buy and withdraw. And I've actually withdrawn and bought lots on Gemini and have had no problems with this website. Great spot, another online carrier for cryptocurrency. Another one that a lot of people have been using is Kraken. And while I have not used Kraken, they have had, some very good support, a lot of reliability, even though a couple days ago their website went down for a little bit because so many people have been trying to get a hold of cryptocurrency lately, and that may happen too. It's been a little bit of a bumpy road with Coinbase, so sometimes it's not perfect, but I've never had a transaction never go through or lost any money of any sort through using any of these cryptocurrency websites. Another spot that you can get cryptocurrency is CoinMama. You can buy Bitcoins directly using your credit card. Very simple and easy to do. You will have to, again, show your identification. They'll ask you a few other things, but this is another spot that you can buy cryptocurrency. So that's going to be the first step, right? So you're going to go into one of these places that I just showed you, one of these websites, open up an account, and then from there, you're going to have to buy cryptocurrency. In order to buy more than 200 different types of cryptocurrency, which we're going to get into in a little bit. But the main cryptocurrency that I would recommend buying, and this is very important, I probably should have said this a little bit early on, is Bitcoin for right now, because Bitcoin is the most universal cryptocurrency to date, meaning it's being traded for virtually every cryptocurrency imaginable. Now, if you started with, Ethereum or Ripple or maybe some of these other cryptocurrencies, it's going to be maybe a little bit harder to trade for a newer cryptocurrency. And we're going to talk about that as we progress forward. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. And in the next videos, I'm going to talk to you about exchanges, how those work, and then how to actually start exchanging your Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies for some of these other cryptocurrencies. More than 200, I'm going to show you the possibilities here. Thanks, guys. I'll see you very soon.